Hello and welcome to Research Ralph. In this video, we'll explore the best budget mechanical keyboards to give you a more responsive gaming experience. If you're in a rush, here's a quick breakdown of the models I review in this video and why they're worth buying. At number 3, the MageGee 60% mechanical gaming keyboard is the best cheap option on my list. It's compact, portable, and the keys feel great to push. At number 2, the KLUDGE S108 mechanical gaming keyboard is beautifully designed with its colors and key shapes. It's also very comfortable to use throughout long gaming sessions. And at number 1, the Corsair K70 RGB Pro wired mechanical gaming keyboard is the best option under $100. It's got premium mechanical switches and is highly responsive to use. If you want to see these keyboards a bit closer and read their online reviews, links are in the description below. Otherwise, stick around for my more detailed reviews, research and analysis to help you before you buy. In the crowded world of mechanical keyboards, the MageGee 60% mechanical gaming keyboard makes a bold statement with its compact design and impressive features. If you're in the market for a high-performance, space-saving keyboard that doesn't compromise on functionality, the MageGee 60% is worth considering. Here's a closer look at what makes this keyboard stand out. The MageGee 60% keyboard boasts a minimalist design that is both sleek and efficient. By removing the function row, number pad, and navigation keys, it offers a compact footprint that's perfect for gamers with limited desk space or those who need a portable keyboard for on-the-go gaming. Despite its small size, it retains all the essential keys, thanks to its efficient layout and programmable functions. Equipped with high-quality mechanical switches, the MageGee 60% delivers a satisfying typing experience with tactile feedback and audible clicks. The keyboard comes with several switch options, including clicky, tactile, and linear types, catering to different preferences. One of the standout features of the MageGee 60% is its customizable RGB backlighting. The keyboard offers a wide range of lighting effects and colors that can be tailored to match your gaming setup or personal style. The lighting can also be controlled via dedicated key combinations, making it easy to switch up your setup on the fly. Despite its compact size, the MageGee 60% keyboard is designed with ergonomics in mind. The keys are well spaced and responsive, reducing finger fatigue during long gaming sessions. Additionally, the keyboard's compact layout encourages a more natural hand position, which can help minimize strain on your wrists and fingers. Overall, the MageGee 60% mechanical gaming keyboard is a powerful and compact option for gamers who value both performance and portability. Its compact design is ideal for gamers with limited desk space or those who need a travel-friendly keyboard. For the latest price, follow the link in the description below. At number 2, the KLUDGE S108 mechanical gaming keyboard is a standout option in the mechanical keyboard market, known for its robust feature set and versatility. Designed with gamers in mind, this keyboard combines a sleek design with high-performance components to deliver an exceptional typing and gaming experience. Here's an in-depth look at what makes it a compelling choice for both casual and serious gamers. The KLUDGE S108 features a striking design with a durable build that's built to withstand intense gaming sessions. Its sturdy construction, coupled with a sleek modern aesthetic, makes it a visually appealing addition to any gaming setup. The keyboard's high-quality keycaps and robust frame ensure longevity and durability even with heavy use. Equipped with mechanical switches, this keyboard offers a satisfying tactile feedback and responsive key press. The keyboard comes with a choice of switches, including clicky, tactile, and linear options, allowing users to select the type that best suits their gaming or typing style. One of the standout features is its customizable RGB backlighting. The keyboard offers an array of lighting effects and colors that can be personalized to match your gaming rig or personal preference. The S108 provides a full-sized layout with dedicated macro keys, which are particularly useful for gaming. The inclusion of extra programmable keys allows for quick access to important commands and shortcuts, giving gamers a competitive edge. The layout is designed to facilitate efficient key presses and reduce the likelihood of accidental inputs. Designed with ergonomics in mind, it features comfortable key spacing and a well-designed wrist rest, which helps reduce strain during extended gaming sessions. Considering its feature set and performance, the RK Royal KLUDGE S108 is priced competitively. It offers excellent value for money, combining high-quality mechanical switches, customizable RGB lighting, and a full-sized layout at an affordable price point. This makes it an attractive option for gamers looking for a balance between performance and budget. For the latest price, follow the link below. And at number 1, the Corsair K70 RGB Pro wired mechanical gaming keyboard stands as a testament to Corsair's commitment to crafting high-performance peripherals. Designed for gamers who demand both precision and customization, it offers a suite of features that enhance gameplay and typing experience. Here's a comprehensive review of what this keyboard brings to the table. The K70 RGB Pro features Cherry MX mechanical switches, known for their reliability and precision. Available in a variety of switch types, such as Cherry MX Red, Brown, Blue, and Speed, the keyboard caters to diverse preferences. Whether you favor a tactile response, clicky feedback, or a linear feel, the switches deliver a satisfying typing experience and quick response times, essential for both gaming and typing tasks. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its fully customizable RGB backlighting. Corsair's IQ software allows users to create intricate lighting profiles and effects, from static colors to dynamic lighting patterns that sync with in-game events. The keyboard is also equipped with 6 dedicated macro keys, providing easy access to custom commands and shortcuts. These keys are programmable via the IQ software, allowing for complex macros to be executed with a single press. Additionally, the K70 RGB Pro features dedicated media controls including volume, playback, and mute buttons, making it convenient to manage media without interrupting your gaming. Designed for serious gamers, the K70 RGB Pro includes advanced anti-ghosting technology and N-key rollover. This ensures that every key press is registered accurately, even during the most intense gaming sessions. The keyboard's ability to handle multiple simultaneous key presses without conflict provides a competitive edge, making it ideal for fast-paced games and complex key combinations. The K70 RGB Pro comes with a detachable, plush wrist rest that adds comfort during long gaming sessions. The wrist rest is designed to provide ergonomic support, reducing strain and enhancing overall typing comfort. The keycaps are sculpted for a comfortable feel, and the keyboard's layout is optimized to minimize fatigue during extended use. Overall, the Corsair K70 RGB Pro wired mechanical gaming keyboard is a high-performance device that excels in precision, customization, and build quality. The keyboard's robust features and reliable performance make it a worthy investment for those looking to elevate their gaming experience. If you're in search of a premium mechanical keyboard for under $100, this is the one to go for. If you found today's video useful, please do like it, and remember that links to the products are in the description below. Thank you for watching.